Hello students, we are going to start up with a new chapter, that is chapter light of chapter 16 light. Okay, so we are dealing with chapter 16 light. So we all are familiar with the chapter light, isn't it? Everywhere we have gone through with light, every often we require light. So it plays a very important role, and it's very important and plays a very major role in our life, isn't it? It's a major role in our life, that is of chapter light. Okay, among this chapter, what are the things that we are going to cover are like this. In this chapter we are going to cover the basic introduction part, then laws of reflection we are going to study, then we are going to study the regular and diffused reflections. Okay, then we are going to study about kaleidoscope. This is very important, children, and it's important Anakina, it's very interesting too, that about kaleidoscope. Then we are going to learn about visual impaired persons can read and write. About these things also we are going to check out in this chapter. This chapter is all about something interesting and innovative. Okay, that is chapter 16 light. So everyone knows that what is light. Everybody we knows that what is light. The world is largely known through the senses, isn't it? The world is largely known through the senses. The sense of sight of one most important senses. Okay, the sense of sight is one of the most important senses. Through it we see mountains, rivers, trees, plants, trees, people, and so many other things around us. So what happens among these light? We go through the mountains, rivers, trees, plants, trees, people, and so many other things which is around us, which is that we go through in our daily lives. We also see clouds, isn't it? Rainbows and birds flying in the sky. These are the things we have seen, that clouds will be moving, rainbow will be over the sky, then birds will be flying in the sky. At night we see the moon and the stars, isn't it? Daytime idnella nodತೀವಿ, but even at the night time what happens? We see moon and stars. You are able to see the words and the sentence printed on this page, because how is seeing this is made up of seeing of light. Namgello light project ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So because of that we are able to see this light, isn't it? Say for example, make it in a very close where there is nothing, okay, where there is nothing light. So when the lights are off, can you able to read the lines? No, right? Similarly we are going through, the light plays a very major and important role in our life. Without light we cannot cook, we cannot eat, we cannot do anything. Nothing can be done in a very simplest manner. Without light namge adashtu ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Why is it so? Does light illa andre agade ilva? Yes, as it is a major role of our life, what happens? It is all required. Directly or indirectly we are dependent on light. Okay, agree with this? Directly or indirectly we are dependent on light. That is how we get light. That is through light is nothing but where we are healthy hegagtivi, that is through food. How do we get food? That is through plants. Where the plants come through, that is photosynthesis. So photosynthesis hegagate light in the light where we get, that is through sunlight. This is how we go through. Directly or indirectly we are dependent on light. Agree to that? So how can we define light? So we can define light in two forms. That it's a form of energy that enables us to see around us is called as light. Okay, or another way, it's an electromagnetic wave that can travel through medium as well as through vacuum. So medium andre enu? That is sunshine. Okay, it's an electromagnetic wave that can travel through medium as well as through vacuum, that we can define as light, or even we can define it as it's a form of energy that enables us to see around us, that is light. Okay, Then we do have some types of objects over here. So what are those? We have among two types. Okay, two types of objects we have. So that is of luminous object and non-luminous object. You children might have heard of this luminous, non-luminous batteries in all the advertisements, or else in the battery systems you might have gone through that. That is luminous and non-luminous. So these are the two types of objects. So among luminous objects andre ಏನಂದ್ರೆ luminous objects are those which has its own light. Okay, luminous objects andre ಏನು those are the which has its own light, adrindale light namige barutte. So antadke we call it as luminous objects. So the examples are bulb, where through circuits we get. So bulb go adrag ade light sigute. Okay, through the circuits, through the wires, how the electricity supplies are those which has its own light. Antadke navu luminous antivi. So non-luminous objects andre ಏನು, even we have to go through with that. Non-luminous objects andre, non-luminous objects are those which do not has its own light. Okay, adradde adanta light iralla, it is dependent on some other. Say for example, ಚೇರ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಚೇರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಲೈಟ್ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ, ದ ಲೈಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆರ್ ಡೋರ್, ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ that we can call it as non-luminous objects. Okay, we require light to see or to the visible things. That's the where we call it as non-luminous objects. Okay, so when light falls on any surface, either of these phenomena takes place, or light falling on the surface may get absorbed. These two points have to be known very carefully. ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, when light falls on any surface, ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, either of these phenomena it has to takes place, either through luminous or through non-luminous. It has to go through, or else light falling on the surface may get absorbed. ಅದು ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So that is where we are dependent on luminous and non-luminous objects. These are the two things that everybody has to keep in your mindsets. Okay, this is a very basic introduction part of our chapter, that is light. We are gonna deal with that is chapter 16. Okay, sorry, make a correction over here. This is chapter 16. We are dealing with light. It's an interesting chapter that we are day to day life we go through upon these things. So chapter 16, light. And make a note children, where do you all use about light na ella use ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, where do you all find the light? When there is no light, is it able to or is it possible to do any works? Just have a glance upon that without light can we survive our lives anta. Okay, thank you.